It has been said that on average, every adult makes around 35,000 choices every single day. Yes, you heard that right. You make 35,000 choices on average every single day. Many of these decisions are conscious, some are unconscious or automated based on your conditioning and habits formed over your entire lifespan. These decisions can vary from meaningless choices like which socks to wear in the morning to life-changing choices like entering a relationship, leaving a relationship, starting a business, or making a decision to commit to something that you know will change everything for you. 35,000 choices every single day. 35,000 times you can decide to make your future better than your past. 35,000 times you get to set the standard for your life. It's the choices we make every day that determine who we will become and how we will live. George Bernard Shaw once said, "Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself." You create your life by the choices you make every single day. The difference between a great life and a mediocre one is based on how many choices you make every day that are deliberate. How many choices do you make every day that are brave? How many are taking you in the direction of life that you want? What if every decision you made was powerful? What if you were conscious of your decision making more often? Can you imagine what a different life you would have in 1, 5, 10 years' time if every decision you made was on purpose? See, what happens does not control my life. What I decide to do with what happens controls my life. My choices control my life. My decisions, my actions. I decide if I will pick up the phone and make that call. I decide if I won't. I must face the consequences of both decisions. I decide if I'll commit to my diet. I decide if I won't. I must face the consequences of both decisions. I decide if I will quit at the first sign of struggle, but I also decide if I won't. I decide if I will refuse to settle.
Decide to say no. Never again will I accept this life. I am more than this. I deserve more. That is a decision. Declaring I am more is a decision. It is me deciding that I control my life. I do control my life. I commit to becoming the greatest version of myself. I choose to be more. I choose to live a big life, not hide in the shadows, not blend in with the background. I choose my life to be more.
Think about the compound effect of money. If you invest money into a high interest return account, over time, you receive compound interest. That is, interest on top of your interest. This process is also true for the choices you make every day. Good choices and bad choices. We all know how quickly life can spiral out of control if we make many bad decisions. A bad relationship, a bad investment, a bad choice of people to associate with. But this is also the case with good choices. If you are conscious in making powerful decisions every day, those choices lead to better opportunities, better results, and they compound on each other to bring you a better life. It really can't be that basic. It can be that simple. It's not easy. It takes character that most don't have to live a life most will never know. I believe you all have that character, but it is up to you if you will use that character to change your life, to create the best version of yourself. Decide today to make better use of your 35,000 choices. Decide to say no. No to average. No to playing small. Decide you are more than you have given the world so far, and commit to get some compound growth in your life. You deserve that.